Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there and also follow me on Instagram. I'm Catherine, it's nice to meet you and let's go. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a super quick and easy makeup tutorial because it's gonna be a tutorial like a makeup look that you can do when you're running super late, because I've been really late the past 3 days non-stop. Like I woke up 30 minutes later than the time I was supposed to, and I came up with this makeup look some time ago, and I feel like it just enhances you. It's something really quick and easy to do, but you still feel good about yourself and like you're glowing and you've actually not put much effort in your makeup look, and you're quick and you're ready to go and you can sleep more instead of doing a whole face of makeup, which is fine, but sometimes you just need to get out of the door. And let's begin. As you can tell, I look like a effing mess. We're not gonna go over there right now. I'm gonna do something with my hair after like the makeup look, just to be kind of presentable because I have class in about 3 hours, so I'm not in a hurry. That's why I'm doing this video. And the hair that I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but it's not gonna be included in the really quick makeup look because I don't know if it's gonna be like quick. But yeah, also I have my mirror over here. As always, I have my beauty sponge over here from Little Techniques, and all the products will be listed down below, so don't forget to check out the description box. And let's go. When it comes to doing a makeup look, for me at least, I always do brows first. I don't know why I don't like the eyeshadow. That's the opposite for most people, but I feel that way. I feel like that way you can get a really clean look. But because today we're in a hurry, I'm just gonna start by like concealing some spots that I want some covers. I'm not gonna do a foundation, we do not have time for that. Also, let me put on the timer. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but let's go. So I'm also gonna explain, so it's gonna take more time than the time you need to do it, but just to have an idea. Okay, my head is, oh my god. So I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm gonna talk fast just because I want this time to not be over 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a darker shade than the one I use under my eyes, and I'm gonna use that on the red spots I have over here. Some spots that I want to conceal, maybe some breakouts, or I don't know what you want to conceal. The redness and the darkness of some oh my god, and the black circles. Oh my god, the tension just got real. And I'm just gonna pat that on over here. As you can see right now, because I'm fading out of my tan, this is kind of dark, like a dark shade. It's like the same color as over here with some a little bit reddish than the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna use some a lighter shade of this on top of it, just to make an even shade which suits me and like the skin tone. So I'm just gonna apply some of that over here. Also, I'm gonna apply that, the same shade, the lighter one, just to highlight some spots. Over here some redness, highlight over here. Yellow looks good. And let's blend that out as well. And basically what I'm showing you is just the base of an easy makeup look. You can add like anything you want. You could even use a foundation as a base. But yeah, I'm also gonna use a darker shade over here to cancel out the black circles. And then I'm gonna, after I press that in, I'm just gonna use the lighter shade, use some of that, what's left on the sponge on the lid, and also what's left, oh no, whatever. Also, what I was saying, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna use like the lighter shade just to light up over here a little bit, just a tiny bit, so it's all bright and nice. I feel like that's pretty pretty good since we're running late. And I'm gonna use some setting powder. Okay, I'm gonna use some setting powder. Sorry for the noise. I'm trying to be realistic, like I'm running late. And I'm gonna use it under my eyes. Set everything on the lids so that my lids actually get super oily. It's kind of weird, but when they don't have anything on, they get kind of oily. Over here, oily. Also, when you get oily, put on extra powder. You can even use the powder like I don't know, foundation powder foundation. That could be useful. Okay, and I just powdered my whole face like some seconds. And let's move on to bronzer. I'm gonna bronze with a really big fluffy brush, so not precise at all because we don't have time to be precise. And I'm just gonna use that over here, my cheeks. And okay, that's kind of a lot. But I hope this is so like that intense on the camera. I'm trying to move like quick. Like another was like the first period or something. Okay. You could even add some of the bronzer as an eyeshadow just all over your lid and on the lower lash line just to create a little bit of dimension. I'm not gonna do that. We don't have time for that. Okay, I'm gonna also just closing everything, which is amazing. Also, I'm gonna use some highlighter. I'm using this Colourpop one, which is it's called Lunch Money. It is an amazing shade for morning time. I feel like it still gives you that highlighted look, but it's not intense that in the morning you look weird. I don't know. Maybe that's me, but yeah. I'm also gonna highlight over here with this big brush because, as I said, we don't have time for anything precise. Over here, the forehead, just a little bit there, brow bone, a little bit over here, just to bring everything out. Okay, and then we're gonna do brows. I'm gonna take a spoolie, just brush upwards. What I do with my brows, basically take a brow pencil and just fill in just the tiniest bit over here on the outer part of the brow. I don't ever focus on the front because that needs time and precision. So I'm just gonna fill in some spots and the brow, and I'm just gonna use a brow gel to I get some color all over the brow, but it's not that intense, so it looks weird. And everything stays nice. Oh my god, I forgot to bring over here my setting spray. Also, I'm gonna use the brow pencil just to create the tiniest bit, that lightest hand-in motion. You're gonna use over here to create this line just to create some shadow and make your lips look bigger and plumper without even applying anything. Oh my god, I'm gonna grab my setting spray. I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm gonna like stop the timer just because it's not fair. Okay, I'm back. I'm resuming the timer, and I'm gonna set everything with some setting spray. Super fast, and then I'm gonna use this, which is a lip cream by Burt and Beige. Yes, Burt's Beige, whatever it's called, I don't know. And it's kind of reddish. I'm just gonna use it over here on the inside of my lips, so that you have that natural reddish kind of tone from the inside of your lips. And then I'm gonna use some Vaseline with cocoa butter. This is like my absolute favorite for lips and for hydrating them. And And I'm just gonna use that all over my lips. Yeah, and this is like the face I do when I don't have, oh my god. Yeah, that took me 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Like, who am I? And I just explained to you everything, so you could do this in like 5 minutes, literally. I don't wear mascara because I want to be really calm when I apply mascara, and I'm not when I'm in a hurry, so I do not apply any mascara. I feel like just for the whole day, it makes my eyes kind of watery sometimes, and I can't have mascara on my eyes the whole day, so I just do this face, and I feel like it's an amazing look for every single day, like literally. If you're going to school, if you're going to college, this is not something that someone's gonna tell you something about it, like bad, because I know in some places that you're not even allowed to wear any makeup. This is super natural, healthy, it's just like you've taken care of yourself. That's how it looks, and I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but that's how it looks. I'm gonna do something about this mess, and I'll be right back. Yeah. I feel amazing. I feel like I can go out, like even go out at night. I don't know. I would do it. I don't know about you, but if I don't have time, that's what I would do. I feel like this is an amazing look for every day, for when you don't have time, for you when you want to walk out the door right away, and you still want to look kind of presentable because you want to feel yourself like the whole day. You want to feel good about yourself, you know? And yeah, give this a go. Also, as I said, you can apply some mascara, or you can use a lipstick, you can do foundation, you can do whatever you want, obviously. I'll just show you like the base of anything really quick and natural you can do. Like, I would do this and then apply some mascara and a red lipstick, and I would walk out of the door. And as I said, I'm not a red lipstick kind of girl, but I did a bold red lip tutorial, so if you haven't checked that out, check that out and you'll see what I mean. It's basically the same base, but then you just apply a little bit more of stuff. I don't know if you can tell what I mean, but yeah, that's basically it. Take care. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.